You get a cell phone number?
How many Stephanides can there be in Florida?
Hey.
Hi.
Can I grab you for a sec?
Yeah. Everything okay?
You're not leaving truck 81 to go over to 72.
I appreciate the thought, but I have made up my mind.
No. You are not leaving 81 to go over to 72. Because I am. Look, when I came to 51, I never expected to find a permanent house to be a lieutenant. I just figured it'd be a few shifts and then on down the road.
Pelham.
But I got way more of an education than just being a lieutenant. I learned what a house should be, what a truck should be. 51 taught me that great house isn't just officers or firefighters. It's both. Together. Treating each other like a second family.
Yeah, and you are part of that family now.
Well, now I know. After what I've seen here, I can carry 51 with me to truck 72 and make that into something to be proud of. And I may not be able to make them into the Yankees, but I'm shooting for the good news bears.
Okay, but Bowden.
I already cleared it. At the firehouse, you thanked me. But I want to thank you. I wouldn't even be in the CFD right now if it weren't for you. You're not just an inspiration to Kylie and the girls you train. I see Gallo look up to you, Ritter, hell, everyone, including me. I'm just glad I can keep your seat warm for you.
I don't know what to say.
No. You don't have to say anything. Just gotta start giving orders.
Yes, sir.
You good, Lieutenant?
Yeah, I'm good.